want to tell you about this great website, BlackScienceFictionSociety.com. Black Science Fiction Society highlights, celebrates, and develops science fiction, speculation fiction, fantasy, horror, steampunk, movies, and games. In addition, they also have blogs, videos, photos, forums, chat, and free stuff. Each month, they feature top comics and books published by their thousands of members. It's a great place to meet others, network, and learn how to create your own science fiction. Lastly, they publish Genesis magazine